Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today is Sunday, September 5th, 2021. It is 3:20 and 15 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. For today's research, stem-like T cells. So let's hop to it here. The stem-like T cells could aid immunotherapy and cancer treatment. Date September 3rd, 2021. Source, Yale University. In a new study by Yale Cancer Center, researchers show stem-like T cells within certain lymph nodes to be natural cancer fighters. And targeting these T cells, which are a type of white blood cells, with immunotherapy drugs, could increase the number of cancer patients that respond to treatment. Therapies that use the immune system to destroy cancer have been a game changer for patients with lung and other cancers. But not all people respond to immunotherapy drugs, so it was important for researchers to discover the role of these special T cells in tumor growth. In this study, researchers first developed a new animal model where they could look at the stem-like T cells in tumors over the course of several months of tumor growth and determine how the stem-like T cells survive. Researchers discovered the stem-like T cells do not persist in the tumor for very long, which meant they are resupplied from somewhere else in the body. Nearby lymph nodes and immuno-organ containing many of these stem-like T cells were replenishing the supply. Every so often, a few stem-like T cells leave the lymph node and travel to the tumor, and this keeps the tumor supplied with fresh cancer-fighting T cells. Researchers believe this is important for slowing the growth of cancer. An analysis of immune cells isolated from patients with lung cancer confirmed that stem-like T cells are in lymph nodes near the lung. The T cells in tumors become exhausted, but the research results show the stem-like T cells within the nearby lymph nodes do not experience exhaustion during the course of disease. And this can be an important treatment advance, as the potential response to immunotherapy is preserved. Researchers are focused on developing therapies that will activate the stem-like T cells in a nearby lymph node and bring them into the fight against cancer. Researchers plan to continue this work and focus on how to improve these therapeutic responses to help patients. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.